In this video, I'll show you how to do US TurboTax crypto tax with Koinly. First, sign into Koinly and import all of your crypto wallets, exchanges, and blockchain addresses. Koinly's official TurboTax filing guide says you need to bring in your transaction data first, then generate the TurboTax Gain/loss export. If you also have crypto income such as staking, rewards, or other taxable income, Koinly says you should download the complete tax report as well. Next, review your transactions inside Koinly before you file. Make sure transfers are matched correctly, and check for missing history, duplicates, or any incorrect labels. This step is important because your final TurboTax numbers depend on the accuracy of the imported data. After that, open TurboTax and go to the crypto section. TurboTax's help content says crypto can be entered by importing from a crypto source, uploading a CSV file, or entering transactions manually. Koinly also provides TurboTax formatted files for both TurboTax Online and TurboTax Desktop, so choose the export that matches the version you are using. Once the import is complete, review the capital gains and any crypto income, then finish the rest of your US tax return in TurboTax. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.